I like all the dining options at IKEA Covina Store. Visitors can find reasonable price, fast and easy snacks at first floor Swedish Bistro before and after checkout. Visitors can find good price meals, no tip payment, kids meal or hot meal at second floor Swedish Restaurant during shopping activities. I have Swedish Meatballs, $11.49 with hot coffee, and Stockholm Salad, $8.99 with Coke for lunch. They are very delicious with good portion of food. Visitors can buy frozen food, groceries, drink and snacks at first floor Swedish Food Market to enjoy at home. I have milk chocolate bar, $1.99. Dark chocolate bar, $1.99. Biscuits with raspberry flavored filling, $1.99. And cookie with chocolate flavored filling, $1.99. I'm at Swedish Restaurant located in IKEA in the city of Covina. Here are the meals, the famous. This one is the Swedish Meatballs, and this one is Stockholm Salad. This is the coffee, and this is the Coke. Coffee and Coke can be free refill. And for the meatball, there are the 12 Swedish meatballs, cranberry sauce, mashed potato, and pea. Stockholm salad, you get small salmon, lettuce, salad, and mustard. I try this. It's famous Swedish meatball. Some gravy. That's this one. It's tender, juicy, moist, not too salty. Very good season. Excellent meatball. I tried this Stockholm salad. I tried this smoked salmon. Very good salmon salad. It's very well seasoned. It's not salty. Very good salmon taste. Very fresh. This is two chocolate. This is dark chocolate. This is milk chocolate. You can buy them at first floor Swedish Food Market, IKEA Covina Store. This milk chocolate. Just remember, if you buy chocolate in summertime, put it in the cooler, otherwise you'll melt it. And if it melted and put into refrigerator, it becomes solid again. Milk chocolate. It's good. Chocolate smell. So that's the chocolate and the milk taste together. It's a little bit sweet. The dark chocolate. Good chocolate smell. Good taste, a little bit bitter. So compare these two, I like dark chocolate better. I taste this two cookies. This is chocolate flavor and this is raspberry flavor. You can buy them at first floor, Swedish Food Market, IKEA Covina Store. Raspberry flavor. Is raspberry cookie. Raspberry smell. Cookie is crispy with raspberry flavor together. That's a good taste. It's a good snack and not too sweet. Very good. Cookie, yeah, raspberry jam. You have the sugar cream and you got a cookie. That's a very good combination. Excellent snack. Good smell. This is the chocolate cookie. And this is regular cookie. This is chocolate cookie and chocolate milk. It's a great taste. You got chocolate cookie, and cookie all together. Very good. The cookie is crispy and chocolate is not too sweet. Excellent. It's a very good snack. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.